welcome back to the Museum of Cornish Life. In today's Museum Makes, I'm going to be showing you how to make your own paper trophies and rosettes like these ones on the table here. So of course you're going to need some paper to start. So I've chosen some yellow paper because it's like a gold trophy, and you're also going to need two circular items. So you'll need a plate, so I've just got a side plate and a glass as well. So to start to make the trophy, what you need to do is you need to do two of these on two different sheets. So you need to put your plate down and draw around the plate onto the paper, and then once you've got the circle you want to cut that out. So once you've got the two, you'll have two circles that aren't cut. I've just done a fast forward to show you what they look like. So once you've cut them out, what you need to do is you fold the paper in half, the paper circle in half, and then in half again, and then in half again. So it's like a pizza slice. And once you've done that, you can unfold it. And then you want to take your glass or your smaller circle and place that in the centre. So try and line it up into the centre point, and then you want to draw a circle around that. So once you've done that, you're going to have your big circle and then your little circle and your grooves of where you folded it. And you want to just take your scissors and cut along the grooves up to the inner circle, as you can see I've done there. So you want to do all of the grooves that you've cut, and then it's as easy as just folding that over and making a score in it on each one. So once you've got the two of those, and they're exactly the same process for each one, so fold your circle in half again, and half again, put the small glass in the middle, draw around that, and then cut along the grooves up until you get to the small inner circle, and fold the flaps over. That's the two different elements of the trophy. So as you can see, you've got the base, and then you've kind of got the big bit at the top. So I'm going to show you how to make both, and it's really, really simple. All you need is either glue, double-sided sticky tape, or I'm just going to use a stapler because it's really easy and fast. And if you are using a stapler, please make sure you've got an adult with you. And to make the big bit on the top, you want to take each flap and overlap them, maybe about 1 centimetre, just over towards 2 centimetres, and make sure they're nice and overlapped. And then you take your stapler or your glue and you pop some glue and you just staple it flat, and watch your fingers like that. So you want to do it again, overlap exactly the same amount, as close as you can get, and then staple again. And you want to keep going and keep going, overlapping, stapling until you have got something like this. So that's the top of the trophy. And then for the bottom of the trophy, as you can see, it's kind of slightly narrower. You just want to overlap it more. So this one, I've even overlapped it probably just over halfway, like that. And then you want to again staple it, or pop your glue or double-sided sticky tape to secure it, like that. And then the same again, overlap, like that. So it's just over halfway, and staple down. So again, keep going around until you have got your two different shapes. So this is the base, and that's going to stand upside down, and this is the top. And then it's really easy. All you want to do is take glue, or again double-sided sticky tape, and just pop a bit down and glue them together. And you can leave that to dry for a second. So once you've done that, obviously you're going to want to have some handles for your trophy. So again, all I've done is I've cut two strips of the same yellow paper, and you're going to take a strip and fold it in half into a circle, like that, and use your glue or double-sided sticky tape to secure it to the side. So I'm going to just use my stapler. So I've just popped it down there, and watch your fingers. It can be a little bit tricky and fiddly, so make sure you get an adult again. And just staple that down like that, and then you've got one one hand up, and just repeat exactly the same on the other side. So of course you're going to need something to say if it's first, second, third, or if it's your best friend, or I don't know, your favourite pet, something like that. You want to draw it on some more paper, so I've just put first on this one. And then again, glue or double-sided sticky tape, you just want to pop that on the front of your trophy. If I can get the back of this double-sided sticky tape off. So then just press down and you've got your trophy. So that's how you make your paper trophies. So easy and simple. And next I'm going to show you how to make your rosettes. So for the rosettes, again, you're just going to need some, I've chosen yellow paper again, and then just some other coloured paper for the centre. And first to start, you want to take your A4 piece of paper, fold it in half, score it. So then you've got the two bits and you just want to cut along the centre line. Like this. Then you've got your two bits of A5 paper now. So then to start, you're going to repeat exactly the same process on both halves. You want to fold in half, give it a nice score, fold in half again, give that a nice score, a half again, and then the last one's a little bit tricky, you want to do in half again and press it really flat and firm, and this is going to give you kind of the guideline when you concertina your paper. So we do have a video that we did previously on Museum Makes where Tamsin showed you how to make some fans, so it's really the same principle as that, so you can follow that really closely because she goes in depth. But just to show you quickly, you take where the lines are scored, you press one down, and you've got the shortest side towards your body. You flip it over, you score it the opposite direction, turn it over, opposite direction, turn it over again, opposite direction, and you keep going exactly the same with both sheets until you've got the concertinas, like these ones here. So what I've done is I've taken both of them and I've just folded them in half, and I've pressed really firmly, and then I've done exactly the same with this one, pressed really firmly there. And then what you need to do to attach them together is I've just taken the centre point and I'm going to wrap some string around the middle just to keep them nice and secure. So you just want to tie it tight, and that will help keep all your sides together, like that. And then what you need to do is, I've just put some double-sided sticky tape already, but as I said, you can use glue instead, is we want to attach this side to that side. So if I can get the tape off, because it's always fiddly. Come on. Like that. And then you want to glue that side to that side. Same again here. If I can get it off. So fiddly. Come on. Maybe I'll try this end. This side to this side. And as you can see, the fun's starting to come together. And then you want to repeat for this one, this side to this side, and then this side to this side, and you'll have the base of your rosette come together like that. So here's one I've already made earlier. So if I turn it over, as you can see, I stapled these together because I didn't have any double-sided sticky tape when I made it. But that's kind of the basis of the rosette. And then once you've done that, I've just really simply cut out, again, the centre, and I've just done number 1, and you just want to stick that in the middle, and you can add some paper ribbons. You could use real ribbons if you've got that, and you just put it down like that, stick them with glue down, and then stick the centre on the top, as you can see, like with this one. So that's how you make your own trophies and your own rosettes out of paper, and it's so easy and simple, and you can give to all your friends and family, your favourite pet, just to say, you know, thank you very much for being my bestie. Cheers, guys.